Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here at Dherbs, we answer tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, in the honor of Halloween, we're gonna answer some questions about fear. Our first question comes from Miss Had to Change account. Why do people like being scared? This is a fact. A lot of things can make people like this. The things that kind of come to mind, look, there are thrill seekers out there. Also, sometimes you find people who really enjoy the adrenaline rush that comes along with being scared. Look, there's some evidence out there that kind of proves that people love being scared if they know it's fictional. They know they're not actually going to be hurt as a result of this. Our next question comes from Alexander Salamander. If fear is a healthy response to danger, inducing fight or flight, why do people become frozen with fear? Isn't this antithetical to the fight or flight response? This is fiction. Fight or flight is not the only possible responses to a scary situation. Think about it like this. If you're in the middle of the woods and you hear a bear, the first thing your body automatically is going to do is to get still. Then you either choose fight or flight. But if those won't work, maybe because you're cornered and you can't successfully fight a bear, your natural response will be to freeze. It's not just about being still. Your muscles and your voice literally experience paralysis. So you can't make yourself move. What you're attempting to do is try to resemble a dead body. And this gives you a big advantage over an animal predator. Most animal predators want to actually kill their prey and eat it straight away. So if they think that you're actually dead, that may actually give you a chance to escape. It doesn't work so well in modern human life. When the threat of something like a car is coming at you or another person is assaulting you, especially if you have to go to court later on and prove that you're a victim. Our final question comes from Deleted. Why do we lose bladder control in response to acute fear? This is a fact. Basically, there are two different levels of stuff happening when your nervous system is in this situation. The sympathetic nerves fire when you need to fight or run. Once that parasympathetic nerve is involved, your body immediately is going to freeze. What happens is your bladder and your intestine relaxes. And when it relaxes, unfortunately, that's when you can see things when people tend to urinate or defecate on themselves. It's really common for people and animals who've died violently to let everything flow out. Look, that's another way to discourage that predator from eating you. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. Or you can message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.